Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can transfer Instagram account to another phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So this matter is a very easy matter. So the only complication you can have is being able to access it from multiple devices. So if you just want to make it a one priority device, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead, get your new phone or the device that you would like it to be transferred to or be accessed from. Then you're gonna install the Instagram from your app store or Play Store according to your requirement. Then you go to your Instagram, and then you're gonna go ahead and go to this profile setting and simply go ahead. You're gonna simply go ahead and get logged in. Once you have get logged in, you will be able to have your account access over here. Now what you're gonna do is, for you to remove all access, you're gonna go to section of 3 horizontal line, and from over here go to account center and simply change your password. Go ahead, password and security, and change the password of your account. Choose your Instagram account over here. Once you have changed the password, you will be able to get logged out of any other device that you are logged in. You will only be logged in this device. That's how you can make it connected to only this, aka transfer to. Otherwise, you can go to is in another device. You're gonna go ahead, get logged out, and remove the app itself and remove the password as well. So that's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.